Hello, this is Carson Smith recording my article finding assignment for library science. So to start, we have the school library website. The article that I am doing is article number 1, the GE MV Hawk S Jeopardy or Jobs, an analysis of how to measure the value of higher education from the Journal of Higher Education Theory and Practice 2015. So to pull up the databases, we go to the stack of pancakes. Then we can search database subject. It should be, education. Search. Awesome. And for this, education full text should be good enough. Oh, we're going to authenticate. Cool. Jeopardy or jobs. Search. Cool. And it pulled it up for us. Now let's pull up the actual full text. Yep, this looks like it's definitely the right one. Education. And from here it has the full text. Do you want me to pull up the actual PDF of the full text? That's doable. Yeah, there we go. Jeopardy or jobs, an analysis of how to measure the value of higher education. The database it came from was the education full text. It has another name, some foundation, some guy's name, but I assume that's good enough. All right, thank you.